Just going to show you, so with the dressing gown being worn, or the kimono, just waft, or black, cream and black, yes. So today I am doing a boxer style unboxing. If you want to know how boxer style works, there will be a link at the end to a video where I'm talking about how it works. This is just the unboxing. It's so nicely packaged. It comes in a box that you can use for other things. So this is my second box. I will be keeping this, and I use them for storage. But lovely magnetic clasp as well, so really handy size for storage. Anyway, opening the box up, and it says, "Hello, gorgeous," inside. Now, everyone likes that at the start of the day, don't they? Everyone likes to be told, "Hello, gorgeous." So maybe this is the box of the dressing table. There is a little guide inside, and there's Rachel's O on the front. And in the guide is going to be what's in the box. And she's got a little note, because this is the winter box. So winter is all about spending time with family and loved ones while enjoying the holidays. For my latest edition, I wanted to give you luxurious beauty finds and accessories that can be used day and night for any occasion. Whether you're relaxing at home or attending a holiday party, these glamorous and versatile treasures will carry you straight into the new year. Everyday adornment. Looks like there's a necklace there, like a kimono type item here as well. It was described actually on the website as a dressing gown. I thought I really do need a summer dressing gown because it's summer weight. Now in the magazine here, Rachel says I was wearing it as a really nice lightweight item over the top of woolly textured stuff. So that's a nice way of wearing it, isn't it? There's an Estee Lauder face cream involved here as well in the box. Rachel says, "I'm a long-time fan of Estee Lauder, and this Revitalizing Supreme Plus Moisturiser not only helps smooth and firm skin, but also gives an incredible dose of hydration, perfect in the cold weather." And in the UK, yeah, from January onwards, it can get pretty cold through till about end of March. We can be. Looks like a nice shadow palette, but we'll see from Lorac. I've actually got a Lorac eyeshadow palette, so I do know that I quite like those. So that's exciting. And lastly, a candle. Now I remember there was a candle in here because I've been saying to my husband, "Don't buy any candles, I've got one coming in a box." Anyway, yes, there's a candle in here too. Ethics Supply Company Starry Night Candle, hand poured in the USA using a wax blend infused with essential oils. So that's going to be nice. That I'm going to be lighting on the windowsill very shortly. So this is whether you're entertaining or spending a quiet night in, a relaxing cool night scent with a hint of pine cone. So pine cone scent, that's going to be nice. I'm looking forward to that. So we would normally buy a Yankee Candle type candle, and we've used up our winter ones. So we would be buying a Yankee Candle. I don't need to, so it's in the box, that's fine. Let's unbox this. Oh, I've got a Chanel box in here. It's a mascara. Le Volume de Chanel Mascara. It's a tiny little mascara. It's in this packet here. Let me just open it to show you. So it's a sample mascara, but that would be very, very useful for travel, wouldn't it? I've got a nice little box, beautiful little bow on it, and it has the envelope inside. Nice little. This is so chic, isn't it? This white envelope. Oh, these are earrings. This is my sign up for a year's subscription gift. A try. Can you see this here? You can see a try. Now we get down to the pack that everyone has got, and that is nice. Isn't that beautifully wrapped in the black paper? So chic. With a little Boxer Style label on it. Andrea Foreman. And there's a necklace. That's beautiful. So small, dainty and elegant. Anyway, that is worth $200 according to the book. The Lauder cream. It is 30ml Revitalizing Supreme Anti-Aging Cream. In the autumn box there was an anti-aging retinol serum from another brand. There are frequently anti-aging products in here, which for my age, that's brilliant, and so that's another reason why I thought it was a good box to have. So I will use this cream, no doubt about it, and I think I've got it at a good price because I got it as part of my £300 £300 annual subscription on that. The Lorac Palette, this was $15. This is actually a very small palette, but it's good for, would be good for travel and for nights out. It's not, no, it's not a big palette. Here's the palette. They're pretty. Colours are nice. Glitzy, Christmassy, autumny colours there. I like that. I really like that palette. You don't need 50 colours in a palette, do you? As long as the palette you've got has got colours you're going to wear. And do you know what? I would wear those palettes. That's a palette I'll definitely wear. That's lovely. Lovely palette. And then there's this wrap. So wear it as a kimono or wear it as a dressing gown. It's actually got, it has got a belt. It's got a belt, so it could easily be worn as a dressing gown. So in the summer, that I did need, because I do not have a summer dressing gown. And that was another reason why, when I saw this as part of the winter box, I thought, yeah, I might as well sign up for the year, because it looks like there's things coming out in this that I will wear, need, etc. So I bought this box on the basis I was going to get this as a summer dressing gown as described. So it's interesting that Rachel's wearing it as just something just floaty over there around the house, over a winter sweater, and without the belt. So that's my styling and trying that. A little bit out of my comfort zone, but you never know. Bit of glamour. And then lastly, the candle, which we will be lighting very shortly. It's actually quite a nice size. It's not as big as the large Yankee candle. It's not as big as a medium Yankee candle. I'll read you what it does say here, because there's some nice writing there at the top of the candle, which obviously it's on a piece of paper that's got to come off. But what it says is, hushed sacred notes of ancient bristle cone pine wrestle softly under a milky bannered star-filled night sky as the scented shadow of great basin's majestic wheeler explore peaks cold quartzite gives way to the warmth of rich musk and amber, while a burst of patchouli and sandalwood enhance the evening's precious blackness. So that's by the Ethics Supply Company. And for now, I am just going to try on that dressing gown. And I'm going to light the candle. Just going to show you. There's Rachel Zoe with the dressing gown being worn, or the kimono, really glamorously. There's a picture at the back where she's showing how it's worn over black. So yes, that's quite glamorous actually. We've all got a bit of black in our wardrobe that we can wear this over as just a wafting garment. That's quite clever, isn't it really? They can be a dressing gown in the summer and just a wafting garment in the winter. Here we have, as a dressing gown, very nice, nice length, doesn't traipse on the floor. Even on me, my 5'1", it's still a good 6 inches off the floor. And with as a wafting garment, just take the belt off and waft. And just waft around the house looking glamorous. And it would look nice up with cream underneath. Just waft, or black, cream and black, yes. I can see how that would work. Just wafting around. Anyway, that's my video. If you want to know how Muttonstyle works, link here. So today I'm introducing you to Muttonstyle, and I paid £85 for one box. It's a subscription service, but you don't need to subscribe to every box, and I haven't. I just wanted the one to give it a go. The reason I went for the one was because there were a couple of items in it that I really wanted, and at £85 for the lot, it worked out very much cheaper. For instance, this necklace is in the box that I just got, and that is marked as worth $245. So, £85. You've already made a huge saving if you really like that necklace and want that necklace, and in my case I did. There's also a bag in the box, and this is marked at $148. So my £85 got both of those.
Plus, in my box I've got a wallet for holding cards, and that is marked as $50. And also a lip gloss worth $28 and a exfoliator, a retinol serum that's worth $95. So £85 for that lot, when it's all things that I would really, really use and love, because that bag is just so me. Anyway, if you want to see the video I'm talking about where I'm unwrapping that, the video's up here. What I want to do is just talk to you about the box. Now, it comes from the States. It arrived within 2 weeks. They are shipping to the UK now, and as I said, it arrived within two weeks. You don't need to subscribe for every box, and I haven't. I've just subscribed for the one. I wanted to see if I was going to get charged duty and so on top of it when it arrived, and I wasn't. So really pleased with the price. I'm really pleased with the service. Pleased with the quality as well. £84 included $15 shipping fee and sales tax in the States. If you want to subscribe or just get the odd box, they're seasonal boxes, and everybody gets the same. So you don't. It's not like FabFitFun where you go through a selection process of what you're choosing. You get the same thing as everybody else. Now, the items are specially selected by a lady called Rachel Zoe. Now, excuse my ignorance, but I didn't know Rachel Zoe, and I don't know if it's maybe a US thing or something I should know. So Rachel Zoe is an American fashion designer. Maybe that's why I haven't heard of her, because it's US. I'm sure some of my UK followers will say, haven't you ever heard of her? Well, sorry, no. I have now, obviously. An American fashion designer, businesswoman, obviously she's got this box, and a writer. The items are curated by her. The website I'll put down below. That is how Boxerstyle works if you are in the UK. And presumably how it works if you're in the US as well, but you wouldn't have the international shipping. That's just a very brief synopsis of how Boxerstyle works. It's not complicated, and so this is obviously a very short video because of the lack of complication. You will find links here to other videos and box schemes and ways of working, and I'll see you in another video. And don't forget to subscribe. Ta-ra.